Morning everyone. I'm Tashma Ahmed from Standard 8 and I read in rural English classes. So first of all, I would like to what my headline is population. So first of all, we will define what is population. When the number of people where live in a country, a state or a place, a particular place is called population. So in India, here is it is second largest populated country, or we can say first. We don't know about that because of the census is not held in India since 2011 because of the pandemic. You all know about. So what is the position of India in population is not declared yet. It is first or second, we don't know. So we will say that it is second position. The India is the second most populated country in India and in the world, and the China stands the first. So in 2000, when India got freedom, in 1947, India has no any in the list of 10th populated country. But in that period, in that 75 years, or we can say 76 years, the India is the first most populated country. Because of why we don't know, because of the because of I don't know, uneducation maybe. I don't know where is the advantage of this thing, the population, but as my teacher said, it has an advantage. We will discuss this thing in later. So first of all, I will like to say the disadvantage of the population. The population have. We all know that how population occurs. It is by reproduction, and the disadvantage of this is when a particular area or particular country get the high population, then the people and then the product also get कम होना क्या बोलना कम होना decrease, then the product also get decrease and the person got increase. There is many of things happened. So just like example, poverty, unemployment, and deforestation, or scarcity of food and groundwaters etc are happen in this thing disadvantage. I would like to prefer one example to take it a very vast is poverty. In India, here is very much poverty, especially in Bihar. See rate in India, all over the India, because of Bihar is second populated country, and where is population is increased, the amount of people is also increased. So in this term, the what we can say, literacy rate is decreased because of the people is increased and they have no good facility to educate. But now in Bihar there is also government school providing very much good facility, but now not the teachers have this courage to teach them. What we can say, that's the poverty in especially the villagers. We can say the villagers have 4 or 3 or maybe 5 children in their house, and they can't manage that thing because of the villagers are almost farmers. We can say that almost farmers and uneducated people. So they don't know how manage that thing, that in future what will happen. They produce more than 5 children. How, we don't know. Then they don't know what will happen in the future. What will happen with their child in future. But in the future they went to another state and do some labor work. their child, because of they don't have money to provide the good facility, good education. That's why they suffer a lot, and especially in Bihar, I think so. Especially in Bihar, this thing is happened very much, and this is the bad thing in Bihar, I would like to say, because of various people have no education, especially the parents. That's why they can't. They have no that guts to educate their children also, and that's all of this topic. And I don't know. Okay, that's all. Thank you.